Hello students, today we are going to start the new chapter and the next chapter is chapter 8. The name of the chapter is many, much, some, any, a lot of, a few, a little. Okay, look at the picture of a cafeteria and read its description. Okay, let's see. There are many children in the cafeteria. Yes, there are many children. See, many children are there. Some are eating sandwich. Some are eating sandwich. A few girls are eating ice cream. Few girls are eating ice cream. A lot of people are enjoying snacks like idli and dosa. And lot of people are enjoying snacks like idli and dosa. There isn't any person who is not eating anything. Is there any person? Can you see any person who is not eating anything? Okay. Now see. Learning windows. Notice the words highlighted in the above sentence. The word many, some, a few, a lot of, and any tells us about the number of things. Here see, highlighted, the words has been highlighted. Many, some, a few, a lot of, any. Okay, this is just telling about the number of things. It's telling us the number of things. How many numbers are there? It can be any, a lot of, you can't be counted. Okay, it is uncountable. Let's see. We can use a, and, some, a few, many, not many, a lot of, which is a countable noun. Okay, these words are the countable. These words, if this words has been used, that means it is a countable noun which can be counted. Okay, see the example. I need a few notebooks from the store. I need a few means I need a few notebooks from the store. Means it can be counted. Okay, we have many boxes. Means that we can count how many boxes are there. Okay, number B. We can use any and some with uncountable and plural noun to mean a limited quantity or a number of a thing. Any and some can be used in uncountable noun and plural nouns, which means a limited quantity, a number of things which is limited, is little bit. Okay, it is a limited quantity or a number of things. Here any, you can say that any, some, you can count it that some means how many? No. Okay, there were, see the example, there were a ball and some cornflakes on the table, but there wasn't any milk. Some cornflakes means you can count the cornflakes? No. So on the table and there wasn't any milk. Can you count the milk? No. So any is uncountable and some is also uncountable. Okay. See. Next, we use any in the negative statement and in a questions. The word any is used in the negative statement. See here, any, there wasn't means wasn't any, means there was not. If the after if not, the word not is used, then it means it is a negative statement. Okay, see the example. There isn't. See, isn't, it is not isnot, not any. That's why any is used. Any sugar in the ball means there is no sugar in the ball. Have you got any butter? See, here is the question. Have you got any butter? Okay. Now see next. Let's see. Some and any can be used in a used with a countable noun also. We can see some and any can be used with the countable noun also. Okay, it in the C, some and any said that we can only be used in uncountable, but here some and any can also be used in a countable noun. We can use any or some when we cannot or do not wish to specify the exact amount of something. When we will use some and any when we don't know that quantity. or the quantity or the amount of something. Okay. See, some is mostly used in a positive sentence and in question. She has some pin. We don't know how much pin she has, so some pin. Okay. Can I borrow some paper clips? Okay. I'm saying that can I borrow some means little bit paper clips. I don't know how much. Okay, but can I borrow? Okay. Any is used in negative sentence and question. Before any in that other page, any is used in the negative sentence and the question. We haven't got any buns for the market. We haven't got any bread from the market. Are there any biscuit in the jar? Are there any biscuit? See, question is asked that are there any biscuit are there in the jar? Okay. So any is used. Now see, many, much, a lot of. We use many with the countable noun in a plural form. Many is used in the countable noun in the plural form. When the words is plural, then it's countable, then that time many is used. Okay, example. She has many dolls in the box. Means you can count that how many dolls are there in that box. So many is used. We use much with the uncountable noun. Much is commonly used in the negative sentence and in question. Much is used in the uncountable noun where we can't count that noun. And much is always usually used in the negative sentence and the question. Okay. See, how much water do you need? How much? You can count the water? That water? No. That's why much is used. We are asking that question. See here, question mark is also given. How much water do you need? Okay. See, we don't get much rain here. Okay, here the sentence is the negative. We don't get much. Can you count that rain? No. So much is used. Okay. Now see, we use a lot of and lot of with both countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. This a lot of and lot of is used both in the countable and also uncountable noun. Okay, they are used to express large quantities of something. When there is a large numbers of quantities, that time a lot of and lot of is used. Okay, see here the example. A lot of paintings were damaged in the fire. A lot of paintings means there was a lot of paintings were damaged in the fire. Farid likes a lot of butter on his toast. Means the Farid likes a lot of butter on his toast. See next, a few, little, a little, a few. A little and little are both used with uncountable noun. This a little and little both are used in the uncountable nouns. Okay, when we use a little, we mean there is a small amount of something. Means a little is used when there is a small amount of things is there, that time we use a little. And when we use little, we means there is not enough or almost none. And little is used, the word little is used when there is nothing. There is almost none. There is nothing in that ball. Okay, see the example. There was a little water in my bottle, so I shared some with my friend. Means there was a little quantity of water was there in my bottle. Means there was a water in my bottle, so I shared with my friend. Okay, next. There was little water in my bottle, so I came home thirstily. Means there was no water in my bottle, so I came home thirstily. Okay, now see. A few and few are used in the countable nouns. A few and few is used in the countable noun. A few is more in quantity than few. Okay, a few is more quantity than few. When we use a few, we mean that there is a small amount of something. When we use a few, that means there is a small amount of something is there. And when we use few, we means the very small amount or almost none. Okay, and when we use few, that means this is little, like, very small amount, or there's nothing. The means empty. See the example. Since a few students came to school, the teacher did not teach anything important. Okay, only few students have came to school, that the teachers did not teach. Means a little students have came to the school. That's why the teacher did not teach anything important. A few students came to school, so the class was empty. Means none of students has come to school. That's why the class was empty. Okay, now see. Look at the chart below to see how we use some, any, a few, a little, much, many, and lot of. Okay, see, some used in the plural countable nouns. Some is used in both countable and uncountable. Any is used in both in countable and uncountable. A few is only used in countable, not in the uncountable. A little is not used in countable, but it is used in uncountable. Okay, used in plural countable noun, used in with the uncountable noun. Much is not used in countable noun, but it is used in uncountable. Many is used in countable noun, but not is used in uncountable. A lot of is used in countable noun also, as well as uncountable. Okay, now see. Read this sentence and take the correct word from the basket. Little learning is a dangerous. Little learning is a dangerous. Answer is little. My father is a man of few words. Okay, answer is few. The leader did not any or all time for his people. Did not have any time for his people. Most or many hands are needed to complete the job. Many hands are needed to complete the job. Can I get some any paper for you? Some paper. The answer is some. There weren't any children in the park. See, weren't is the negative, so that's why any is used. Okay, here the leader also. See, the leader did not have. That's why any is used. It means it is a negative sentence. It's a very quiet in the classroom. They aren't much student. Okay. Some any banks are open on Sundays. Some banks are open on Sundays. Saturday. Fill in the blanks with some or any. See, some girls wanted to eat the apple on the tree, but they weren't any. Okay. Do you have any news about him? Can I have some tea? Are there any stamps in the drawer? Can I hear some music coming out that window? Do you have some money with you? Okay. Try to do this sentence yourself. Thank you.